Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl Jewel and I am back with another video. Today I do have some goodies again from Amazon. I've been waiting to do videos. I haven't dropped any since right before New Year's, and I do want to say thank y'all so much. I do see all of the love as well as the support, and I am just truly blessed. I seen all them views on my last video, which I'm so happy about. Guess what, you guys, once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away the wig from that video. Not the one that I actually wore, but I'm going to end up getting the same wig, same length, 14 inches, and I will be giving that away to my first winner. The rules will basically go as follow. Once I hit 100 subscribers, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. The first 2 comments that I receive on my new video when I start announcing the giveaway, besides this video, I'm going to end up using a keyword in the video. And once I give you guys the keyword, that's what you need to comment down, put in the comment section. So once you like the video, once you subscribe to the channel, you must comment the keyword that I'm going to use during the video. It's not going to be in this video. It will probably be after I hit that 100 subscriber mark. Once I hit that, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to give away that wig from Sabella. It's going to be the same length as mine. All you need to do when I hit you guys up and let you know, like, hey, you're the winner, I'm going to need your contact info, and then I will be sending you a new wig, okay? Let's get into this video today. Oh, I also want to say, I see that I'm getting a lot of views, and I'm also getting a lot of great comments, and people have been going from the channel and following me on Facebook as well as Instagram. I really don't promote my Facebook too much. I mainly promote the Instagram and vice versa. It will go from people on Instagram hitting me up to finding my page on YouTube. So I'm really happy about that. I'm really excited. Happy New Year, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be doing a water fast. So I'm going to be uploading my butt off. I'm going to be uploading a whole bunch of videos. I'm not going to have time to do anything else. I mean, besides work, I'm going to have to meditate. And I'm going to let y'all know how those results go as well. Today, I have my new best friend. Say hi. Hi. I have my practice hand from Amazon. All of this stuff will be linked below in the description box. Where I got it from, how much it was. This practice hand was only $7.99. As you guys can see, you know, I do my DIY nails and things like that. But now I'm starting to get requests for people who's really asking, like, oh, I love your nails. And I'm like, you do? It's just mine. Like, I know I just do my own. And they're like, no, they look so nice. They look so gorgeous. So this is what I did. Probably about a little while ago. Like, a few days ago. And this, we're going to get into these a little later. I have a lot to explain about these. But because I got tired of constantly popping off my nails, putting new ones on so I could upload videos, I was like, let me get a practice hand so I could really start doing it. As you guys can see, I already put my little, what is this called? What is this stuff called? I don't know. My little, hold on. I got this. Oh yeah, this is my Loctite mounting tabs. So instead of me keep putting glue and all that on this hand, I'm just going to use a little mountain Loctite mountain tab on the nail so that it can hold my nails and so that I can do them properly. I just basically mash it down real nice and flat. And you don't need that much of it. You really don't. You just really need just a little bit. But, okay. You see, you just use a little bit. Pop your nail on. Press down. And then you just begin practicing. So this hand is actually very, I like it. It's kind of flexy. See, I can move my nail down. I can tilt the hand down if I want. So that's really good. That's really good. This way I can bring you guys more videos without me keep having to do my hand. So, yes. Gonna be my practice hand. Say bye, girl. Next, we have the Gershion Nail Extension Liquid Gel UV LED Builder Gel Set. Woo, woo. So I seen this product on Femi Beauty's channel, and it was crazy. I was looking for it all over Amazon. I could not find this anywhere. I had to use the direct link that she put in. But watching her do her nails gave me hope. The best part about this is it's basically, if you ever worked with builder gels and things before, it comes in like that little round container and then you just use it, make your bead. This is so much simpler, guys. You guys don't understand. This says Gershion 8 years in the making. Okay, so you got your little pamphlet book. Tells you what to do step by step. And this is one of the things I feel like people kind of get wrong when they do the gel. Because the first time I tried this, I opened this up like 2 days ago, but I didn't record the video. It says on step number 6, cure with both UV and LED lamp. 36, 48 watts is best. We recommend curing for 3 to 5 minutes. So don't think that this is one of those 30-second. No, absolutely not. You need to cure for 3 to 5 minutes. It tells you this. This says 8 years in the making. Well, guys, I understand, because these nails, I have never done nails so quick and so like to the T. To the T, baby. Ever with poly gel like that. No sir. No sir, Bob. This actually includes 1 base coat, 1 top coat, and 6 different colors. All I can say is that the colors were beautiful. I am going to have another video showcasing the colors with my practice hand. Yes. This is what the set looks like. You also get this 100 over 180 nail grid file. The little Gershion. You also get these double thick nail forms, because I did use a few of them the other day, but you get, it's got to be about, this looks like about 50 pack maybe. So all of this is included in the kit. I will go more into depth with this on another video. I have 4 videos coming between today and Monday, so it's probably going to be 2 videos per day, or maybe I might stretch it out depending on how my schedule looks this week. And I am going to upload probably 1 video per day, probably. Do not mind me, guys. I'm in my natural state today. Today was one of those days that I don't feel like it. And also, too, I'm recording this at like, what, 12 o'clock in the morning? Yeah, I had to wait for the household to calm down and just be quiet so I could go ahead and get my video together. But this product, because I've already literally used it, I can honestly tell you, it's so easy to maneuver. I really like this product. And I'll try to link it, being as though I did purchase it. So I'll check to see if I can copy that link. If I cannot, guys, please make sure that you go to Femi Beauty's channel, like her video, comment, subscribe on her page, but also make sure that you check this out, okay? And the colors that I'm going to be showing, these were the colors that were specially linked, because the ones that they have on Amazon is only like the regular pink and white and clear. It wasn't, but these colors in this kit, they pop. They pop, guys. I'm trying to tell you. They absolutely pop. So next up we have, I had an old nail drill that was given to me a few years ago, probably like in 2014 by my old manager, because I was practicing nails then and I liked it. However, the drill itself is so bulky, I just was like, it's time for me to look for something new with some better nail bits. I ended up purchasing this one from Amazon. It was only 19 bucks, and it is called the YaFex. The YaFex portable e-file. And because I'm left-handed, guys, do you see how it's like I'm writing with a pen? So this one is really easy, and it's going to be very portable. But I'm pretty sure if you're right-handed, it will be very easy for you to drill as well. This is how it comes. YaFex. Okay, YaFex. This package includes when I say it's not heavy at all. A nice cord. It's like a USB that you could just hook up. I'm just going to use my phone charger. Hook it up. And that's how you power it up. It comes with its own set, its own little nail clipper. I had one in black, but now I got one in pink. And also, too, you get all of these different nail drills, nail hit bits, and the brittle bits. I'm not sure what you call them. I'm not a professional nail tech, so I don't know. Hey. But you get all these different sizes. And what's even better is that you also get a whole bunch of extra brittle drill bit heads. And then of course you get your instruction on how to power it up and everything. I did try this out. This just came today. So I just tried it out a little bit earlier. it was nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was really nice, really lightweight. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys my oatmeal e-file. So this is my old e-file. Okay, e-file, e-drill, whatever. This was my old one. Do you guys see how bulky this is? Super bulky, super bulky. But it lasts. I've had it since 2014, and it's definitely lasted a long time for me, so that's a good thing. However, I needed something more simple and easy to work with. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this a lot. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. You can pick up all of these products on Amazon. The kit, I used her promotional code because when I did the link, it was originally about 40 bucks, I believe. No, it was $34.99. I used the coupon. I had the discount, so I ended up getting $10 off. And then from there, I only paid about $23 for the Gershion set. I paid $23 for the Gershion set, $19.99 for the e-file, and $7.99 for the hand. Make sure that you guys like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you check out all of these great products on Amazon. Y'all know I love Amazon, especially Prime. And if you guys have Metro PCS, Prime is included with your bill. Okay? Make sure that you check out all of these. Make sure that you check out all of these products on Amazon. Make sure that you continue to follow and support the channel. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Good night.